Welcome to this video tutorial on constructors in Java. In this tutorial, we'll be covering what constructors are, how to use them, and some best practices. Before we go any further, let's define what a constructor is. Simply put, a constructor is a special method that is used to initialize an object in Java. A constructor has the same name as the class it belongs to, and it does not have a return type. Let's now take a look at a simple program that demonstrates the use of constructors. In this program, we first define our person class with two private fields, name and age. We then define a constructor that takes two parameters, name and age, and initialize the corresponding fields with the values passed in. Finally, we have the getters and setters for our fields. When we create a new person object, we can pass in the name and age values, which will then be used to initialize the object. One important thing to note is that if you define a constructor for a class, Java will not provide a default constructor. Another tip is to always use constructors to initialize your objects, rather than initializing them manually using setters. This ensures that your objects are in a valid state right from the start. That's it for this tutorial on constructors in Java. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and happy coding.